Final comments. About the first volume. Series, Metaverse, Freedom of Spirit. In this first book, as an introduction to the series, we are concerned with providing basic technical concepts so that all readers, regardless of their level of education, can have the necessary knowledge to understand and follow the content expositions that we will present. In the next volumes, when necessary, we will indicate just to reread this first book, so that you remember certain concepts used in the topics provided in the course of this series. In the second book, it is being prepared to present, among other cases, what happened to Euripides Barçanufo, as well as we will conclude Ivan Pereira. If in the case of Ivan Pereira we saw its use in the 20th century, what we are currently commenting on as the next event, conquest, that through Metaverse we are about to have in our daily activities, in the education sector. With that of Euripides Barçanufo we will visualize a still distant proposal of development, but this will only be possible for us, as soon as possible, if we start doing researches for something to be developed as soon as possible. In advance, we suggest reading, via QR code, Euripides Barçanufo's history. Text in English. Throughout the series, other cases will be presented with the aim of also making us think. Does a parallel world exist? If it exists, it is understandable that in it everything is more improved, because it is older than planet Earth in our inventions, and it is natural to understand that with fewer resources we can bring from there, with many imperfections, what already exists. And since we try so hard to perfect our immersions, more questions remain. What truly is real world, parallel world, and virtual world, and how can we distinguish their differences? Where does one end to give way to the other? Do they mix?